Welcome back. Today we're comparing new LED headlights to the older halogen style using these LED lights that we got from our sponsors SealightLED.com. These bulbs produce 36,000 lumen of cool white light compared to the warmer look of the halogens, which can help make driving a more safe and comfortable experience. These LED chips are positioned exactly the same way as the old halogens, so they're safe for oncoming traffic. Also, they distribute light more evenly, which is really nice. One great thing about these LEDs is that they last up to 60,000 hours, which compared to maybe 1,000 hours out of a halogen, this is pretty amazing. The installation process can vary from vehicle to vehicle, but the 360 degrees adjustable lock ring and wireless design make it a really quick and easy install. The built-in intelligent driver and CAN bus ready design makes the S6 bulbs compatible with 99% of all vehicle systems. In some cases, some models may need a CAN bus decoder, which Sealight will happily send to you directly for no cost. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you out with your purchases. Show some love, subscribe, stay tuned, and have a great day.